Hello student, I am Mrs. Harsha Jhope from Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Bhayindar. Today we are going to study part 7 of our chapter 1, that is Basics of Computer Graphics. Learning outcomes of these videos are: after watching this video, you will be able to know about the latest trend in computer graphics. The latest trend in computer graphics are virtual reality and augmented reality. In last video, we have studied about some output primitives. Basic output primitives are point, line segment, text, polygon and marker. And also we have studied some standards for computer graphics. Then let's start with our today's topic, that is latest trend in computer graphics. These are virtual reality and augmented reality. First, we will see what do you mean by virtual reality. Virtual reality means experiencing things through our computers that don't really exist. Virtual reality literally makes it possible to experience anything, anywhere, anytime. It is the most immersive type of reality technology and can convenience the human brain that it is somewhere it is really not. Virtual reality is able to immerse you in a computer generated world of your own making, a room, a city, the interior of human body, a realistic three-dimensional image or artificial environment that is created with a mixture of interactive hardware and software and presented to the user in such a way that user feels it to be in real world. Virtual aims to achieve total immersion. Total immersion means that the sensory experience feels so real that we forget it is a virtual artificial environment and begin to interact with it as we would naturally in the real world. In a virtual reality environment, a completely synthetic world may or may not mimic the properties of real world. Example: virtual reality is the use of computer technology to create a simulated environment. Instead of viewing a screen in front of them, users are immersed and able to interact with 3D worlds. Advantages of virtual reality are: virtual reality creates a realistic world. Through virtual reality, user can experiment with an artificial environment. Virtual reality make the education more easily and comfort. It enables users to explore places. Look at the image that is shown on your screen. You can show that the person is having entered into the virtual realistic world. Virtual reality is the use of computer technology to create a simulated environment. Unlike traditional user interfaces, virtual reality places the user inside an experience. Instead of viewing a screen in front of them, users are immersed and able to interact with the 3D worlds. You can see that the user, or in this image, a person is holding two machines, and one machine is on his eyes, and by using that two holders he can spray. He entered into the virtual world that is shown on the screen. You can see this is a virtual world, and he enters into the virtual worlds, and he get a sense that the machine which he is holding, if we'll press that machine, then spray will be at that particular virtual environment. That's all about the virtual reality. The next we will study augmented reality. Augmented reality, it is a mixed reality. Mixed reality means what? The seamless merging of real space and virtual space. It integrates the computer-generated virtual objects into the physical world, which become in the sense an equal part of our natural environment. And augmented reality system combine the real and virtual in order to assist the user in perform his task. So we can say that an augmented means it is also called as a mixed reality, is a halfway point between non-immersive and fully immersive system. Mobile devices like smartphones and tablets have put supercomputer power in our hands and pockets. If we are wandering around the world, maybe visiting a heritage site like the pyramids or the foreign city we have never been to before, what we want is typically not virtually reality, but an enhanced experience of the exciting reality we can see in front of us. That's the idea of augmented reality. Augmented reality is all about connecting the real world we experience to the vast virtual world of information that we have collectively created on the web. Neither of these worlds is virtual, but the idea of exploring and navigating. For example, you point your smartphone at a landmark or a striking building and interesting information about it pops up automatically. How can a mobile device figure out its precise location in the world? How do the things you see on screen of your tablet change as you wander around a city? Augmented reality is technology that combines virtual reality with the real world in the form of live video imagery that is digitally enhanced with computer-generated graphics. AR or augmented reality can be experienced through headsets that people wear and through displays on mobile devices. If you want to view how a retailer's virtual furniture looks in your room before you buy, there will be an app. By using that, you can see how your furniture will look. Means in that condition, your virtual and imaginary world are combined. That's about augmented reality. Some example of augmented reality app include Google Sky Map, Pokemon Go. These are some examples of augmented reality apps. Then just go toward conclusion. In today's video, we have studied about what is the virtual reality and what is augmented reality. In a simple word, you can say that augmented reality It is the combination of real world and virtual world. And we have studied that virtual reality is an artificial environment that is created with software and presented to the user in such a way that the user suspends belief and accepts it is as a real environment. Thank you for watching this video. That's all about your chapter 1. The next we will start with your chapter 2, that is raster scan display. Thank you.